The intent of this video is to illustrate how to map a network drive to your local computer. I'm going to be providing two examples in this video. In the first example, I'm going to illustrate how to map our special volume named OAA-13301 Review. Most of our team maps this drive as and refers to it as the Z drive, although technically you can map it as any drive letter you want as long as that letter isn't already being used. First, you'll double-click on this PC, usually found on your desktop. Next, click Map Network Drive across the top of your window, and then again, under the drop-down, click Map Network Drive again. On this screen, you'll select the drive letter you want to use. Again, as I mentioned earlier, most people map this as and refer to it as the Z drive. After you select your drive letter, enter in the folder box //Spartan Drive /OAA-13301 space review. You'll also want to click Reconnect at Sign In to be able to have this drive continue to show up each time you log in, and finally click Finish. At this point, you should begin to see that drive show up under this PC every time you log in. On the second example, I'm going to illustrate how to map our departmental network drive. Most people refer to it as the N drive. Again, you'll click this PC, and at the top of the window, you'll click Map Network Drive, and in the drop-down, click Map Network Drive again. As in the previous example, once you get to this screen, you'll need to select the drive letter you want to assign this network drive to. Since I already have the N drive on my machine, I'm going to just, in this example, assign it to U, but you can select any drive letter you want at this point, but most people would refer to this as the N drive. In the folder section, you'll click //storage/myfiles/group/OAA-13301. And again, if you want this to continue to reconnect every time you log into this PC, which is usually what you're going to want to do, make sure you have the Reconnect at Sign On box checked. Finally, click Finish. And now, as you can see, once I click on this PC, you can now see that U drive available as being part of my set of drives that I'm connected to.